Alright folks, in this little video we're going to look at how to find the area of a trapezium. Now, as we will have discussed in class, if you want to get above a C, you're going to have some more complex shapes. This is one of the more complex shapes. So follow along and we'll see how to do it. First of all, a trapezium, its definition, it's got four sides, just like a square or a rectangle, but what makes it different is that you've got two sides that are parallel, and only two sides. So that side and that side obviously aren't parallel. These two sides are, and that's what makes a trapezium. Alright, so the formula. Area is a half, outside the brackets, A plus B times H. Okay, so what the heck does that mean? Alright, so first of all, A and B you lump together. Alright, so A and B are the parallel sides. Okay, that's the symbol for parallel because it's a stupid word to write. So in other words, we're talking about this one and this one. Now because they're added together, it doesn't matter which one you call A and which one you call B. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, as long as you just identify which ones are the parallel sides. H is the distance between A and B. In other words, that one there. So I'm just going to go that one A, that one B, and that one H. Okay, so yeah, don't stress about which one you call A and B, as long as you identify those two sides. Alright, so let's get in and do it. So, check first of all, we've got all the same units. So we've got meters, meters, meters. Sweet, good to go. Here's the rule. Okay, so let's plug it in now. A half is a half. Alright, A is 8.7 plus B 6.8, close the brackets, and then you times it by 6.5. Okay, so there's nothing in there, that means there's actually a multiply. Okay, alright, now you can just feed all that in one go, just making sure you put the brackets in. So a half, that's just 0.5, or you want to divide it by 2 at the end, that's easy, or if you want to use the fraction button, easy, whatever works. Okay, that's a half times the brackets, 8.7 plus 6.8, close the brackets, then I've got to times it by 6.5, 50.375 watt meters squared. Okay, that's easy done. Let's look at the second one. Now, it's still a trapezium because we've got right angles there, which means that this side and this side are parallel. Okay, so these are A and B, and that one there is H. So I'm just going to identify that one. That's H. But look at this. We've got centimeters and meters. I'm going to get it all to meters. So that's 0.9 meters, and that's 0.4 meters. Okay, I'm going to call that A and call that B. All right, let's jump in. Big A equals a half of A plus B outside of H. Okay, so a half is still a half. A and B, so I've got 0.9 plus 0.4, close the bracket, times by 1.3. Feed all that in. 0.5 times, open the bracket, 0.9 plus 0.4, close the bracket, times by 1.3, 0.845 meters squared. Alright, that, ladies and gents, is how you do it. Okay, so this will set you up for the first part of worksheet 3. Get into it.